All right, guys, I'm gonna go to Old Faithful, guys. Old Faithful is this right here. Yo-Zuri Railing Vibes. That's that red craw pattern right there, that red craw flavor. I'm throwing that on a Levante Mega Bass with my Shimano DC. That's what I like to throw it on. It's got a bright color braid to a floral leader. Let's see if this tags. All right, guys, we're gonna tag that point. It's a wind-blown point right here. The wind is blowing and it's blowing across that point. So we're gonna tag that. Always target that when the wind is blowing. Some type of point. Top drop, go get him. With the net. Tag him. Top drop, don't stop, baby. We're gonna get him. We know how to get him out here.